Hi, I'm Linda Ballou, and I am a lost angel. And this is my book, Lost Angel in Paradise. Like 17 million other lost angels, I live in Los Angeles, specifically in Topanga Canyon, which is in between Santa Monica and Malibu. So I spend a lot of my time hiking in the Santa Monica Mountains, but I don't stop there. I go all the way up the coast. For the last several decades, I've been scouring the coast for hidden gems, wonderful walks, great eateries, and that's what I'm sharing with you in this book. 32 of my favorite day trips on the coast of California. Now, in the year of the virus, international travel is going to be very tough, and I think a lot of people are going to enjoy a road trip. And this is the perfect companion for a road trip up the coast. If you buy the Kindle book on Amazon, there's a free app that allows you to download it to your phone. And that way you have live links to the trailheads and places that I mention. I include some historical tidbits and things of note in the stories. It's not just a hike guide, it's more than that. And I would love for you to enjoy my days. I know I want to take every one of my days again. That's from Malibu to Mendocino on the coast of California. It's also in print. You can get it on my site, lostangeladventures.com, or on all the, Amazon and iTunes and all the rest. So check it out. Thank you.